guide you through the process of creating your own proposal templates and creating a proposal from a template in your Ignition account. Navigate to Templates and then Proposals to view all the proposal templates you currently have in your account. We have provided templates that you can use, or you can create your own custom proposal templates. If you already have some custom templates, you can click into any of these to make changes to them. We suggest reviewing your proposal templates on a yearly basis. Now, let's create a proposal from a template. Click Create New, Proposal, and click Templates. Select a template and click Use Template to kickstart your proposal. The name of the proposal will be automatically filled. We recommend adding the year in the name for future reference. Select the client that this proposal will be sent to, as well as the proposal start date and minimum contract length. In the Services step, you'll see services that are automatically added from the template. Like all proposals, you can make unique changes to this proposal, and it won't affect the template or the rest of your client's proposals. Navigate through the different steps and review the proposal and make any more changes that you want. Since you're starting from an existing template, you shouldn't need to make too many changes. Then, once you're done, send the proposal to your client via email. Alternatively, you can generate a shareable link to the proposal, accept the proposal on your client's behalf, move the proposal to an awaiting acceptance status, or click Save and Close if you're not ready to send it yet. If for any reason you want this new proposal to be the standard moving forward, you can click this drop-down button next to Templates and click Save as Template, which will save this to your proposal templates moving forward. Proposal templates are incredibly useful. You can easily send off proposals to new clients, and you can even do this in bulk to engage all of your clients at once. This is an easy way to implement Ignition across your entire existing client base, or engage a ton of new clients during tax time. Learn more about proposal templates at our Help Center and reach out to our support team for any questions.